I had to take a moment and do a video on this one. I'm pretty sure this one drove in here. This is insane. You went from probably I don't know, a few $100 repair to multiple $1,000s repair. Obviously the knuckle spindle's gone. The hub assembly's gone. As we look at some of the carnage here, I mean, it ruined the brakes, got them so hot, killed the CV axle. Troy's telling me that the intermediate shaft's gone out of it. It ruined the tire by rubbing on the upper control arm because there was so much bearing play that it cut the sidewall out of the tire. This had been making noise for months probably, I would say. But this costs when you drive them that long past normal service.